Hello children, welcome back to my class. And today I am going to teach you second lesson, the big race words for practice notes. So let's start. First one, competitors, competitors, competitors. Clouded, claudete, clouded, clouded. Third, morpho, morpho, morpho. ossie, Aussie, Aussie. shot, short, off, off, short off, short off. fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. dangled, dangled, dangled. excitedly, excitedly, excitedly. friend, friend, friend. sticky, sticky, sticky. Next, 11th. willing, willing, willing. 12th. dropped, dropped, dropped. 13th. organizing, organizing, organizing. 14th. disappointed, disappointed, disappointed. 15th. sadly, sadly, sadly. Okay, this was the words for practice. You have to read loudly and you have to write. Okay, and wherever small letter you have to write small, wherever capital letter write capital letter, same as it is like me. Okay, next come for the words to know meanings. Children, remember always you have to write words for, after words for practice, words to know. Okay, first one, organizing, nothing but making arrangements for something to take place. Second, competitors, people who take part in a contest to show that they can do something better than others. Next, third, dropped out, did not take part any longer in the contest. Fourth, willing, excited and ready. Fifth, cancelled, would not take place. Sixth, beat, to win against somebody in a competition or a game. Seventh, his mind was made up, nothing but he had decided what to do. Eighth, reaches, arrives at. Next, short off, moved or sped past something or someone quickly. 10th, fantastic, great. 11th, dangled, hung loosely. 12th, felt very sorry, nothing but felt very sad. 13th, it's a draw, a game or match in which no one wins or loses is a draw. Okay, now comes answer the questions. What a great idea! Who said these words? Aussie said these words. Okay, OSSIE, Aussie. B. What was the idea and who gave it? The idea was that Aussie himself could take part in the race. It was given by Claudette, CLAUDETTE, Claudette. Second, help, cried Aussie. Why did Aussie cry for help? Aussie cried for help because he was stuck in a spider's web and could not get away. Okay, now see it. Answer in detail. First one, how did Aussie and Morpho end up racing against each other? Answer, on the day of the race, all competitors had dropped out. Full stop. Then again capital letter. So, comma, Claudette said that Aussie could take part in the race. Full stop. But, B capital, but there was no one to race with Aussie, O capital, then comma. Then Claudette, C capital, Claudette said that Morpho, M capital, could race against him. Full stop. Then Aussie felt that he could easily beat Morpho and win the race, and so forced him to take part. Full stop. This was how Aussie and Morpho ended up racing against each other. Full stop. Now second, what happened after Aussie got stuck in the spider's web? Answer. After Aussie got stuck in the spider's web, comma, he cried for help. Morpho, who was flying by, comma, heard him. Full stop. At first, comma, Morpho did not want to stop because he would be able to win the race. Full stop. But he knew that Aussie was in trouble and he needed his help. Full stop. He freed Aussie from the web and the two of them flew to the finishing line together. Full stop. Okay. This DVT is not necessary. This is deleted. Okay. So those who have written, no problem. Just keep it a cross mark here. Those who have not written, no problem. No need to write this. Now after this, after finishing line together, just you go for the next page grammar activity. Children, already you have seen the grammar activity articles video, right? Now based on that you have to do this activity. How much you have understood? So let me know. It is dash elephant. Elephant, E here. So vowel sound elephant. So what do you have to use? Yes, very good. The answer an. In that way you have to do the rest. It is dash pumpkin. P. Consonant sound. So what do you have to use? Yes, very good. That letter you have to write. Here is dash dog. I went for dash walk. I have dash orange. Do you have dash oven? Dash sun rises in dash east. He went to dash house. Dash farm. And dash hour. Okay. So let me revise you one more time. Whenever we have to use A. When do we use A? When the word comes after it begins with a consonant sound. Consonant sound से पहले जो word आता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? A we have to use. When do we have to use an? When the word that comes after it begins with a vowel sound. Vowel sound का word जो आएगा उससे पहले क्या लिखेंगे? An, an. Okay. And when do we have to use the? The कब use करना है? When we mention a person, thing second time. Okay. Or we use also the when there is only one such thing. Suppose example sun. Sun सिर्फ एक ही है. Two suns we don't have, right? So that's why we have to use the sun. And before the names of oceans, rivers and mountain ranges, these are the proper nouns. Before proper nouns, the will come compulsory. Okay children, so that's all for today. Do the activity bit and write neatly. Take care. Bye bye.